Hey there, welcome to our channel MtecHD. Today, we're diving into a simple yet highly nutritious recipe, cucumber juice. Cucumber juice is one of the easiest and most refreshing drinks you can make at home. Not only does it help keep you hydrated, but it also offers a ton of health benefits. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this juice is fantastic for detoxing, promoting healthy skin, aiding digestion, and even supporting weight loss. Whether you're looking for a refreshing summer drink, a post-workout hydrator, or a health booster, cucumber juice has got you covered. Stick around because I'll guide you step by step through the process of making this delicious drink right in your kitchen. Let's start with the ingredients. To make cucumber juice, you'll need 2 large, fresh cucumbers. It's important to use organic cucumbers if possible because their skin holds most of the nutrients, and you don't want any pesticides in your drink. If organic isn't available, just give your cucumbers a thorough wash with water and baking soda to remove any residues. Additionally, you'll need about half a cup of water to help with blending. For added flavor and health benefits, you can include a few optional ingredients like fresh mint leaves, a splash of lemon or lime juice, and a teaspoon of honey or agave syrup for natural sweetness. Once you've gathered your ingredients, it's time to prepare the cucumbers. Start by rinsing them under cold water and patting them dry with a clean towel. Next, cut off the ends and slice the cucumbers into smaller chunks. If you're not a fan of the slightly bitter taste that cucumber skin can sometimes have, feel free to peel them, but remember that you'll be losing some of the fiber and nutrients. Now, grab your blender or juicer. If you're using a blender, add the cucumber chunks and about half a cup of water to help with blending. For extra flavor, toss in a handful of mint leaves and a splash of lemon juice. Blend everything on high speed until it's completely smooth. If you prefer your juice with a bit of natural sweetness, now's the time to add a teaspoon of honey or your favorite natural sweetener. Blend again to mix everything well. Once the blending is done, it's time to strain the juice. Place a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth over a large bowl or pitcher and pour the cucumber mixture through it. Use a spoon or spatula to press down on the pulp, extracting as much juice as possible. This step ensures that your juice is smooth and pulp-free, but if you prefer a thicker, smoothie-like texture, you can skip the straining altogether. After straining, transfer the cucumber juice into a glass or bottle. If you're serving it right away, pour it over a glass of ice for an extra refreshing kick. You can also garnish it with a slice of cucumber or a sprig of mint to make it look as good as it tastes. If you're not drinking it immediately, store the juice in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It's best enjoyed fresh but can be kept for up to 2 days. So, why should you make cucumber juice a regular part of your routine? For starters, cucumbers are incredibly hydrating, containing about 95% water. They're also rich in essential nutrients like vitamin K, vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients help support healthy skin, reduce inflammation, and regulate blood pressure. Additionally, cucumber juice is a great natural detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins from your body. If you're trying to lose weight, this low-calorie drink can keep you full while providing essential hydration and nutrients. Another great thing about cucumber juice is its versatility. While it's delicious on its own, you can experiment with different add-ins to create your own custom flavors. Try blending it with fruits like pineapple, apple, or watermelon for a sweeter taste, or add ginger for a spicy kick. You can even mix cucumber juice with coconut water for a tropical twist. The possibilities are endless, so don't be afraid to get creative. Finally, let's talk about when to enjoy cucumber juice. It's an excellent drink to start your day with, as it provides a natural energy boost without any caffeine. It's also perfect after a workout to replenish lost fluids and electrolytes. On hot summer days, a glass of chilled cucumber juice is a lifesaver. And if you're hosting a party or gathering, serving cucumber juice as a refreshing, non-alcoholic option will definitely impress your guests. And there you have it. Making cucumber juice is as simple as it is rewarding. With just a few ingredients and steps, you can whip up a healthy, hydrating drink that's perfect for any occasion. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel MtecHD for more easy and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.